Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we'll show you how to open a bank account in Slovak language. In addition, we'll show you other phrases and vocabulary that you can use in the bank. You can find a link in the description where you can download the document with the lesson and practices. Let's start! Začíname! At the bank, in Slovak banka, there are many things that you, as the customer, zákazník, can do. For instance, you can make a deposit, vložiť zálohu, make a withdrawal, vykonať výber, transfer money, prevádzať peniaze, get a credit card or debit card, získať kreditnú kartu alebo debetnú kartu, apply for a loan, požiadať o pôžičku, to pay bills, zaplatiť účty, open or close an account, otvoriť alebo zrušiť účet. There are two types of bank accounts: checking account, spotrebný účet. With this, you make payments, vykonať platbu, or transactions every day. Savings account, sporiaci účet. With this one, you save money, ušetriť peniaze, and earned interest, zúročiť peniaze. And for many of the things you do at the bank, you need to show a passport, pas, or ID card, občiansky preukaz. Fill in a form, vyplniť formulár, with your personal information, osobné údaje. Sign, podpísať. The first thing that you would need to do is to take a number in this machine, zobrať si číslo. After this, you need to wait, čakať. When it is your turn, you need to speak to the bank teller, pokladník. Let's check this dialogue. Úradník. Dobrý deň. Vítajte v našej banke. Ako vám môžem pomôcť? Hello, welcome to our bank. How can I help you? Zákazník. Chcel by som si otvoriť bankový účet. Customer. I would like to open a bank account. Úradník. Aký účet by ste si chceli otvoriť? Sporiaci alebo bežný účet? Bank clerk. What kind of account would you like to open? A savings account or a checking account? Zákazník. Aký je v tom rozdiel? Customer. What's the difference? Úradník. Bežný účet používate na každodenné transakcie. Sporiaci účet používate na sporenie peňazí. Clerk. You use the savings account for saving money. Zákazník. Chcel by som si otvoriť bežný účet. Customer. I would like to open a checking account. Úradník. Mohli by ste mi prosím dať váš cestovný pas a osobné údaje? Clerk. Could you please give me your passport and personal information? Zákazník. Tu máte. Chcel by som si naň vložiť 1000 eur. Customer. Here you are. I would like to deposit 1000 euros. Úradník. Chceli by ste kreditnú alebo debetnú kartu? Would you like a credit card or a debit card? Chcel by som získať kreditnú kartu. Customer. I would like to get a credit card. Úradník. Veľmi dobre. Kreditnú kartu vám zašleme poštou na vašu adresu. Ďakujeme. Pekný deň. Clerk. Very good. We'll mail the credit card to your address. Thank you. Have a nice day. Very well. Besides asking to open an account, you could ask for a mortgage, hypotéka, debt, dlh, investment, investície, savings, úspory. Now it is your time to practice at the bank. Try to say the following sentences in Slovak language. I would like to close an account. Chcela by som zrušiť účet. Could you please give me your passport? Mohli by ste mi prosím dať váš cestovný pas? Amazing practice! Thank you very much for studying with us. Let us know in the comments what other phrases you would like to study. If you're interested in learning the Slovak language in a modern way, visit our website and learn more about our courses. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye! Ciao!